Well, when you decided you needed a new roof on your home, there's so many different types of roofs that are out there. How did you decide on going with the metal roof?
Well, basically, we live in an area where there's substantial storms and wind damage and things like that can occur. Ivan hit 2004. It was a huge tree that came down and penetrated our bedroom. I decided it would be better for us to be protected against damage than insured against damage, and that metal roof gives us that protection.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. But not just a regular metal roof here. You put a little style on this one here.
I was delighted to find out that we had choices of not only color but texture and this wonderful shake style that was really, really a great choice for us because we wanted something a little bit different from just the standard metal roof look.
The particular product we're using here is called an Aero Line Shake metal shingle made by Edco, and it is the most wind-resistant metal roof that there is. It's because the shingle is interlocking, it doesn't lose any strength with time.
Metal roofs all over the neighborhood, but not one quite like this.
We're really delighted with our choices and delighted with your assistance in making it happen. I like the idea of a roof that had a little bit more texture and a better curb appeal and truly a good-looking roof.
The neighbors have stopped by and said we got the best looking roof in the neighborhood.
I'm really feeling good about the longevity of the roof. It's low maintenance, and being able to just know that it's all done beautifully well and that we're truly safe and secure from the top down.